Zeke in here. Kind of go over what's happened already.
Treat any kind of a stop sign that is out as a four-way stop. There is also a lot of power outages.
Pretty much from here, our friends at Plato Closet are in the dark, it looks like. And now I'm coming up to just before 240, and there is a lot.
It looks like Germantown Parkway from where you are all the way down to past Abilene.
Yeah, try to go down there. Northbound isn't bad here on Germantown Parkway. Like I said, by Countrywood crossing by Lake Jarrett, and okay, it's a mess over here. There's debris in the roadway. So if you go this way, I would try to avoid Germantown Parkway heading north towards the
towards the mall and towards
we actually work out at Hacks, and so I've been driving it the whole way.
Nicole, thank you so much.
All right.
Hey, Lacey, where are you at?
I'm in Yelling Commercial. This is flooded really bad out there, especially by the 40 mile to dealership and Stage and Covington Pike. Yeah, it's slowed down a lot with the water.
Lacey, thank you so much.
Walnut Grove, East, of course, you have trees down there. Now, I just talked to a friend of mine over in Franklin County.
Yeah.
They said there's sunshine. So that is rather unbelievable. So this tells you just how small this area is, but how small this is.
375-1075, you see some damage down power lines, please let us know. We're going to hop on with Heather after we play some Timberland and get a traffic update.
But I'm trying to get some film of it. But it must have hit hard.